shit! Bahama Mama, how you doing, Mama?
Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining us today as we explore the beautiful Princess Cays Island. We're about to take you on a walking tour around the island, showing you its beautiful beaches, its hidden gems, and everything else that makes this place so special. This is actually our second time here. We were here back on Carnival Ecstasy years ago, and we are very excited to be here again. If you've been here before, please let us know in the comments below. Alright, where are we going?
Beach. Pirate ship.
Pirate ships. There ain't no pirates in this water.
Pirate ship.
That's not a pirate ship, buddy. Oh, this water sure is pretty though.
Yay, we're at the beach.
Stay tuned until the end. Trust me, the ride back on the tender boat was freaking scary. We're about to begin our island tour. Both Carnival and Princess Cruises come here, making it a popular destination. Here's the spot for the Stingray Encounter. This entire section of the beach is reserved just for this experience. The cost during our sailing was $34.95 a person. As we head towards the food area, we pass a variety of local shops. All of the vendors here are local, offering a great selection of souvenirs and handmade items. Make sure to bring cash as that is their preferred method. Since we were on the Carnival Elation, which is a smaller ship, there's no issues finding chairs on the beach. They have more than enough seating for everyone. This is the kids area, featuring a 2-foot deep pool and a playground. Seating can be limited here, so if it gets busy, you may have to stand. The good news is, a lifeguard is on duty all day. Here's a spot where you can rent floats and snorkeling gear if you're looking to get active in the water. The island is dotted with shops along the way. Convenient single-stall bathrooms are on the right. Once again, there are plenty of chairs for everyone, so no need to rush. Coming up on the left, you'll find a large selection of shaded tables, perfect for enjoying lunch. I'll show you more of these areas in a moment. real crazy. So this is going to be the buffet. You can pause it here. Lunch is usually served 11 to 1. Got these pavilions with picnic tables. Let's go this way. I do want to note that there is no Wi-Fi on the island. There are cell phone towers, but if you don't want to be charged, I would leave your phone on airplane mode. Now this is the far side of the food area. And here on the left right there is where you have the lockers if you need them. If you've booked the Kayaking Excursion, this is where you would head. At the time of our sailing, the cost was $54.99 a person. Despite how windy it is, this side of the island remained peaceful. On the top deck of the lookout tower, the board seemed soft. I did not stay up there very long. These are the island's bungalows. There are 25 in total, with 7 of them located in the adults-only section. Each bungalow comes with 4 chairs, a small table, and most importantly, an air conditioner. From what I found online, prices start at $210 and increase based on availability. Apologize for the wind noise here. I was mentioning that the area is beautiful and stunning, especially past the hut. However, I was disappointed to see that all 3 huts were in poor condition. It's clear that the storms have caused damage, and it's unfortunate that Carnival hasn't made any repairs to them. the time that we were here, all 3 huts were roped off and preventing anybody from going on them. Again, it is sad that Carnival hasn't done anything to repair them.
Yes! Still work! Arrgh! My shit!
Say it again.
Arrgh! Manies, get out of my shit!
Say hi.
Hi! Hi, Beth. Hi! Do you like your float? Do you like your seat? Do you like your seat?
Say what?
Seat?
Don't go too deep. Don't go over your head.
Whee!
Oh!
Bahama Mama, how you doing, Mama? Thank you. Don't get confused, it's almost the same, no? Island Rampage and Bahama Mama, yeah?
As you can see, the storms in the distance kicked up some serious wind, causing some rough waves. The tinderboat ride back to the cruise ship was intense. I wish I would have started recording earlier. There was even a moment when the tinderboat bumped into the cruise ship. That is what caused me to start recording. Hate that I missed that part.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel.